Hithis Hedge Reza. Today we are going to fix the brightness issue in Windows 11, so before the video, make sure you subscribe and like. Let's begin. In the first resolved, we are going to adjust brightness via settings. Open the Start menu and go to Settings or press Windows and I. Select System and then Display. Under Brightness and Color, use the slider to adjust your screen brightness. Or we can do it from easy way. You can press Windows plus to open the Action Center. And use the brightness slider to adjust the brightness. For the second resolved, we must make sure our night mode is off. For that matter, we have to open Settings and go to System and Display. After that, scroll down and under the Brightness and Color, and disable night mode, or you can open it and adjust it. For the third resolved, we should update our display drivers. For that, go to Control Panel and select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and right-click your display adapter and select Update Driver. You can update it automatically, or if you have an update file, select Browse and choose your update file. In the further step, we can reinstall our display drivers. For that, in Device Manager, right-click the display adapter. Select Uninstall Device, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the display driver. In fourth resolved, your power settings might be affecting the brightness. For that, we should go into the Control Panel and select Power option and click on Additional Power Settings. And click on Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. After that, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. And expand Display and ensure set this value on 0 or your time that you want. For fifth resolved, we must check for Windows updates, because sometimes a Windows update can resolve brightness issues. For that, go to Settings and Windows Update, click Check for Updates and install any available updates. If all else fails, you can reset your display settings. For that, go to Settings and System and click on Display. Click on HDR. For me, it's in the HDR, and scroll down. And click on Calibrate. In here, you can change your monitor brightness. For those doesn't have this option, we can go to Settings, Search and type Color Management. After open Color Management, go to Advanced tab and click on Calibrate. And for the last resolved, you should check your manufacturer software. If your computer has manufacturer-specific software, for example, Intel, Nvidia, AMD, check there for brightness controls and updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be worth contacting your device manufacturer or considering a hardware issue, particularly if the brightness adjustment isn't functioning at all.